Welcome to XGSLab version 10.2. In this video, we will share some of the latest advancements. A powerful feature of XGSLab has been the ability to schedule projects. This allows engineers to run models back-to-back without additional human interaction. Now, Scheduler allows for parameter editors that will automatically create, change, and run models. This allows step-by-step analysis for your next grounding, lightning, or AC interference study. This additional feature allows for parametric studies to help advance industry knowledge as well. In this video, we will share how to step through this new parameter editor. In this system, we have several references specified. Reference 1, Reference 2, and Reference 3, which are all locations that we may see energizations or unintended faults. Additionally, we would like to know how this system may perform when it is connected to this additional counterpoise or when the system is isolated with these additional fault conditions. We can do this by specifying certain tag names. So here we can see if we filter our view, tag conductors specified as tag A are the additional grounding system that we can remove with our off-tag parameter editor. The references that we've specified in our grid are going to allow us to put multiple energizations in this model. Here we're going to the scheduler. We'll add our project. We've selected the parameter.xgslab, and now we just simply right-click and go to parameter editors, adding in the types of parameters we'd like to edit, such as the off tag. This allows us to specify the conductors that we'd like to remove from our system during each of our models. We can also incorporate the energization. This allows us to specify for reference 1, reference 2, and reference 3 the energization and fault current, such as 1000 amps with an angle of 30 degrees. We can also incorporate the area calculation so that each of our models is automatically running those area calculations for us. We can search for pre-existing XML files to automatically specify the orientation of this system. Simply hitting the green checkbox, our system's now ready to run. And here we want to illustrate, in our system we initially have one project. Once we've computed this, we'll have multiple projects that are placed into our project file. Now that our project parameters have ran, we can now find that in our project folder there are multiple new files, each of these specifying the references or the augmentation that's been automatically created through XGSLab. Opening one of these project files, we can see our grid has now eliminated the conductor tag A, and if we go to our analysis tab, we can see our grounding system performance, and then go into the area calculations, where it's simple enough to just load the previously calculated area. This gives us the information we need for calculating our earth surface potentials, as well as calculating our touch and step voltages once we've entered our compliance criteria. We've demonstrated just a couple of the features that Parameter Editor allows, and we are excited to provide this time-saving automation for our users. Another improvement incorporated into XGSLab version 10.2 is improved hardware efficiency. This allows for users to model more elements in their system and perform their calculations. Here we have a photovoltaic system that's approximately 1 mile across, and it is modeled in its entirety, incorporating all of the auxiliary components that support the panels, as well as the leads and grounding from one system to another. XGSLab's powerful analytics is now joined by its powerful new CAD tool, Xgl CAD. This allows you to draft your model with XGSLab with all the features that you would expect from a modern CAD tool. Here we can create a simple mesh by specifying the starting origin locations, as well as specifying the row and distances. Now that we have a simple grid, we can incorporate a line or a set of lines that can encircle the system simply by clicking on each of the coordinates that we'd like to place this. As you can see, there are data entries that will automatically pop up. You can hit the escape button to stop that drafting of that line, If you'd like to incorporate a rod, you simply select the rod element, and you can zoom in on the location that you'd like to snap, specify the rod length, and here what we can do is by rotating our view, see that we've created this new rod in our system. This feature allows you to draft more complex and larger systems efficiently. Additional features have been included in this version of XGSLab, including geometric averaging for soil resistivity, updates for the new EN 50522, and many user experience improvements. Please contact us today and request a quote or demo.